Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I know you're well. Thank you so much for all those wonderful messages, and welcome to all the Eagles Facebook members. If you want to learn deeper and you want all the organized courses in how to start a business, goal setting, financial stability, getting out of debt, all those courses are in the Facebook group. Yes, so you can visit the group. You can join the group free, but the membership is paid to access the courses. Well, I have a topic for you today, and it is, who are you becoming? On this personal development journey, we are trying to make ourselves the best version of ourselves. We are trying to make a better living for ourselves, like the life we desire. But one thing I've experienced is God is more interested in the person you become than all the achievements you've got. If we become people with lots of wealth and power without the heart, it will become a real problem. So as life happens, for example, loss, for example, grief, sickness, let's expand our heart of compassion and be gentle with each other as we go through life circumstances, because part of caring for each other, yes, life goes on, but we can still touch each other and just say, something kind, something gentle to help ease their pain as they go through life. And not only do we have to be compassionate, we have to have a forgiving heart, we have to have a generous heart, we have to have integrity and honesty, release baggage, be quick to forgive others, be quick to listen and slow to speak. All these things help us to mold character. And as we are molding character, we'll be better as we handle all that prosperity that is coming our way, and the power and the responsibility that is coming our way. Because when you work on yourself, you will naturally find your flow, and all your heart's desires will come true. That's just the way it is. What we are doing here, learning these little lessons and implementing them, is trying to find your authentic self, your original self. Who are you without all the labels and the programming? Who is the real you? And when that person emerges, all the giftings will emerge too, all the healing will happen. But let us be people of compassion, extreme compassion, an expanded heart of compassion without judgment and separation. This doesn't have to be hard, because the grace is sufficient. You start small and expand. But I just wanted you to be reminded that God is more interested in the person you become than all the achievements you've got. Well, this is Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Join the Facebook group. I'll see you there. Bye.